Alright guys, crazy tuning session here. Moved the Helio RC Spring to the Reverb with the big Primos and the higher powered ESCs and Crossfire and everything else. So I'm working on flying and tuning, but this is just what I wanted to show some people. These are stock Ds of 30. The clip after this is going to be Ds of 20. And the third and final clip will be a D value of 10. P gains are 45 all across the board, and I's are 50 all across the board. I have tuned the dynamic overall power gain from 20 to 0, and there's going to be a lot more coming on this, so stay tuned, subscribe, and all the rest of that stuff. We'll go over the build, the real maiden, and go over more tuning. But just wanted to show some people how crazy this extra filtering works in this dual stage flight control. So talk to you later.